we continue exercise 1.4. This is important exercise 1.4, 1.5. The first question is question number 1. Find the union. Find the union. Find the union of each of the sets. Each of the sets. X equals to 1, 3, 5. Set is given. X equals to 1, 3, 5. And another set y equals to 1, 2, 3. And we have to find x union y. So x union y. X 1, 3, 5. And the sign of union, then y 1, 2, 3. Now write the combined elements of both the sets. So 1, then 2, 3 and 5. So this is x union y. We have to write both the terms, combining both of them. And the term not be repeated. One times we have to write both the terms. So 1, 2, 3 and 5. Next is A equals to, set A equals to A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And another set B equals to A, B, C. So we have to write A union B. So write the elements of A, E, I, O, U, union elements of set B, which is A, B and C. Now write in combined form A, B, E, A, B, C, all the terms we have to write. Then E, I, O and U. This is A union B. Next is third part. This is A equals to X such that X is a natural number. X such that X is a natural number. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. And another set B equals to X such that X is a natural number. B equals to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. So we will have to form the set A equals to natural number which is multiple of 3. So the natural number multiple of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and dash dash. And the set B is a natural number less than 6. So natural number less than 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5. And then we will find A union B. So the term A would be written as set A 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 dash dash. Then union the elements of set B 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to write the elements of all the terms combinedly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 9, 12, 15 and dash dash. So this is the result. Now part 4 of this question. A equals to x such that x is a natural number. Set A equals to x such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number and 1 is less than x is less than equals to 6. Question देखते रहेंगे. And set B equals to x such that x is a natural number, B equals to x such that x is a natural number, and 6 is less than x is less than 10, and 6 is less than x is less than 10. So this is written in set builder form. So firstly we will have to convert it into roster form. So x such that x is a natural number and the value of x lies from 1 to 6, where 1 is excluded and 6 is included. So the value of A will start from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And set B, natural number and the value of x lies from 6 to 10. So in this set both the numbers will be excluded because there is not equal to. So both the numbers 6 and 10 will be excluded. So it started from 7, 8 and 9. So firstly we will have to convert it into roster form, then we will find its union. So A union B, we write the set A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, union set B 7, 8, 9. Then we combine both the sets. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This will be the answer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the next part, fifth part. Set A equals to, set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and set B equals to 5. Null set B equals to 5. Then we have to find A union B. So the elements of set A 1, 2, 3 union 5, and this will be 1, 2, 3 only. 5 would not be taken in a set. So the result will be 1, 2 and 3. Then we discuss second question. Let A equals to A comma B. Question number 2. Let set A equals to A comma B and set B equals to A, B, C and set B equals to A, B, C. Is A is subset of B? Firstly, we will have to find is A is subset of B. Then find A union B. So the first part is we have to say that whether A is subset of B or not. So since every element of set A is also an element of set B. So we will have to write, since every element of set A is also an element of state B. Therefore, we conclude that A is subset of B. Now, the second part, we have to find A union B. So, write down the set A comma B, union another set A, B, C, and write in combined way. So, we get A, B, C. This is the A union B. This is A union B. Now question number 3. Question number 3. If A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, such that A is subset of B. A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B. Then what is A union B? Then what is A union B? So if A is subset of B, then A union B must be equals to B. If A is subset of B, then A union B must be equals to B. Let us see how. Let an example. Let set A equals to 1, 2 and another set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is the subset of B because every element of set A belongs to set B. So here A is subset of B, then find A union B. So 1, 2 union 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this can be written as B. So it is verified that if A is the subset of B, then A union B always equals to B. If A is the subset of B, then always A union B will be equals to B. Now next question number 4. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 4. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Another set B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B equals to 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then set C equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. Set C equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. And set D equals to set D equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the four sets given. Set A, B, C and D. The first part we have to calculate A union B. So first we have to calculate A union B. So write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put the sign of union. And then set B 3, 4, 5 and 6. And combine both the sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The second part, we have to find A union C. A union C. So write the elements of A 1, 2, 3, 4. Union the elements of set C 5, 6, 7, 8. Then combine both the sets. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the result. The third part is B union C. B union C. B union C. The elements of set B 3, 4, 5, 6. Union the elements of set C 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then combine both the sets. So we get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Part 4. B union D. B union D. Set B 3, 4, 5, 6. Union set D 7, 8, 9 and 10. Combine both the sets 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now the fifth part, A union B union C. The fifth part, A union B union C. So firstly, we will have to solve any two, either first two or last two. So let us find last two, B union C. B union C. So B union C already we have calculated 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have calculated the value of B union C. Now we have to find A union and B union C. So write the value of set A. A is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then sign of union and then set B union C. B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now write all the terms of the sets. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is A union B union C. Now the sixth part, A union B union D. A union B union D. So first we calculate B union D, and B union D already we have calculated. So write down directly the elements of set A. So the elements of set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the sign of union, and the elements of set B union D already we have calculated 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then combine both the terms. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is A union B union D. Then we have to find B union C union D. Seventh part. B union C union D. So C union D. B union C we have calculated. We have calculated B union C. So write the value of B union C. So the value of B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then put the sign of union and write the elements of set B. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then combine both the sets. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this was question number 4. Question number 5. Find the intersection of each of the sets. In question 1. In question number 1. Find the intersection. Find the intersection of sets. In question 1. So in question 1 the value of x and y are, the value of x is 1, 3, 5 and the value of y is
1, 2, 3.
the value of y is 1, 2, 3. Then we have to find the value of y is 1, 2, 3. Then first we have to find x intersection y. X intersection y. This is the sign of intersection. So write down the element of set A, 1, 3, 5. Then put the sign of intersection and then element of set y. We have to see the common terms which are available in both the sets. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is the common elements which are available in both the sets. So the result will be 1, 3. X intersection y is 1, 3. So in intersection we write the common terms which are available in both the sets. Now the second part is, we have given set A equals to A, E, I, O, U. Set A equals to A, E, I, O, U. And another set B equals to A, B, C. Set B equals to elements A, B, C. Again we have to find A intersection B. So write the elements of A, E, I, O, U, then intersection sign and the elements of set B, A, B, C. Now choose the common terms. So A is the common. Only A is common in both the sets. So the result will be A. A intersection B is A, element A. Third part, A equals to x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3. Natural number multiple of 3. And set B is x such that x is a natural number. Set B equals to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So first we write these two sets in roster form. So set A equals to natural number multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, dash dash. There are a lot of numbers which are multiple of 3. So we will put dash dash. Then write down the set B in roster form. X is a natural number less than 6. Means from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to find A intersection B. So set A elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, dash dash. Intersection set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the common in both? Only 3. Only 3 is the common. So the result will be 3. Only 3 is the common term. Now part 4. Part 4. A equals to x such that x is a natural number. Set A equals to x such that x is a natural number. And 1 is less than x. And 1 is less than x is less than equals to 6. Another set B equals to x such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number. And 6 is less than x is less than 10. Yes. 6 is less than x is less than 10. So we write the set in roster form. Natural number lies from 1 to 6 where 1 is excluded and 6 is included. So we started from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then set B. Natural number lies from 6 to 10. So 6 is excluded. So 7, 8, 9. 10 is also excluded. Now we have to find A intersection B. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Intersection 7, 8, 9. So nothing is common in these two sets. In these two sets, nothing is common. So if nothing is common, then its intersection will be written as 5. Means null set. So A intersection B is a null set. A intersection B is a null set. Now fifth part. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3. And set B equals to 5. Set B equals to 5. Then A intersection B. So A is 1, 2, 3, intersection 5. So in both the sets, nothing is common. Nothing is common means result is again null set. If there is nothing common in the given two sets, then result will be a null set or empty set.